Hey guys, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So for my client today, we're going to do a number of services. We're number one going to do a detox on her hair using our Elite Detox Charcoal System. And then we're going to do a refresher color to cover her silver streaks that she hates oh so much. So you guys sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Oh, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and thumbs up this video. Okay guys, so my client here does have some thinning in the hairline and in the nape of her neck, mainly because she wears a lot of wigs. So this is more self-induced, if you guys want me to be quite honest. But her hair texture is fine textured. It is a little bit heavy today. It feels a little oily. So what we're gonna do is use the Elite Detox Shampoo and Conditioning Mask. And we're gonna get this hair to be a little more light and airy. And then we're also going to color her silver streak. Okay. So, we started her shampoo process, of course, using a clarifying shampoo. Reason being is because her hair had a good amount of buildup on it. So the way I like to do it is you can apply a shampoo to the hair when it's dry. That helps to extract some of that excess oil. If you have oil in your hair, it shouldn't feel heavy and it shouldn't be weighed down. So with that being said, that is why I put a little bit of clarifying shampoo on her hair while it was dry. And then I used warm water to rinse it out, okay? This only works before you put water in the hair, okay? So for the second shampoo, I used our Elite Herbal Detox Shampoo. This shampoo helps to remove any buildup, but it also is a shampoo that helps to strengthen the follicles at the same time. It is made with organic charcoal, so it does act as a good cleanser, but it does not make the hair feel stripped. And that is the amazing thing about the detox line. It doesn't make the hair feel crunchy. It doesn't make the hair feel like you've just taken everything away, but it does cleanse the actual scalp and follicle very well. I did do the shampoo for this particular client twice. You can do it once. Some people like to do it once. When you're doing like a detox, you don't want to over detox because then you'll end up stripping the hair in its entirety of all of its natural oils. So the purpose of our detox is to cleanse the hair and cleanse the scalp. It also stimulates the scalp because we do have peppermint oil in this particular system. And it does make the hair feel really soft. Like it leaves this immaculate shine on the hair when you are done with your shampoo service and it's time for styling. Okay. So I did use warm water on both shampoos. In the shampoo process, I always like to use warm water. So now we're going to apply the mask. If you notice, I put the mask on before I did the regular conditioner. Why? Because the mask is the treatment. This is a deep therapy treatment. This is the treatment that we are going to put under the dryer. And the great thing about the Elite Herbal Detox Mask is that it does detangle and soften the hair on contact. Now, if you have extremely dense hair, it may not detangle you 100%, but for my client here, it detangled her instantly. I do like to comb this particular mask through, and then I put a processing cap on her and she goes under the dryer for 15 minutes. Now it's time to apply her color, but because, of course, she is a lighter skin color, I did want to add a little bit of base around her hairline to just protect her hairline. And then her hairline does go down a little farther in her face. So at the same time, I know I won't be able to alleviate 100% of transfer color on her face because of where her hairline stops. But you don't want to make it any worse than what you already have. So I always apply a little bit of base, especially when I'm doing high pigment colors like reds and oranges and greens, because they do typically transfer to the skin. So once her color is applied, she will sit at room temperature for 35 to 45 minutes because we are covering gray. And then it's time for the style. So you guys see the color that she got where it was like a maroon / burgundy color. And I'm just blowing her out. She's not relaxed, guys. She's 100% natural. So we're going to do a silk press on her. Now, I'm using a titanium iron, but I am taking larger sections. and you'll be able to actually see what the hair, like just looking at the hair, you can tell it feels a lot lighter than what it did before, a lot airier or not so dense. And then I did apply a little bit of our Frizz Tamer and Shine Serum to her hair as the heat protectant and shine enhancer. So you guys can just sit back and watch me curl. But I can tell you guys that the weight of the hair really makes a huge difference here. If she had a heavy head, or should I say like an oily head, this style would not work. So the iron that I chose to use to do this particular step was the H2 Pro Titanium 1-inch iron. I've kind of gotten away from using my Babyliss Prima, only because it's a little bit heavy for some strange reason. And I've been using that iron for a couple of years now, but all is well. So I want you guys to take note of how shiny her hair is, how lightweight it is. And if you notice, I did not have to silk her out before curling. I'm actually silking and curling at the same time. This does not work for all hair textures and types. Her hair texture is fine textured. Her density is a little bit different. Different meaning not in a bad way. And then her hair is just really easygoing. It feels great. It's silky. It's just everything all in one. She does have some color on her hairline because her hairline extends out a lot farther. So of course I had to color it, but the tint from the current color, of course, is going to fade over time, which is a very short time. But you guys sit back and continue to enjoy the video and comment, what do you think about this shine, guys, this luster? Okay, guys, so here is the kicker. I thought I was recording the finished look. Clearly the camera was set up and there is no video. So unfortunately, I didn't get to show you guys the end result, but I did want you guys to take note that in the previous clip, you did see some of her hair and saw how shiny and how vibrant that color was, and it was just a demi color. So guys, when she comes in for her 2-week appointment, I'll definitely film an update so you guys can actually see the style. So forgive me for this one, guys, but I actually wanted you guys to be able to see the shampoo process and how to use the Elite Herbal Detox System, but I still wanted you guys to see the finished style. So once again, my apologies, but please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video and comment down below if you actually saw some of the style or some of the curl. It wasn't even the style, some of the preparation to style. I don't know, but you guys get the picture. And thanks again for watching.